Ever since Samsung dropped its first foldable smartphones, there's been a ton of buzz about them possibly launching some more affordable options once the tech and parts got a bit cheaper. Well, while we're still waiting on that, it seems like it could be happening sooner than we think. Recently, during a chat with investors and journalists about their earnings, some Samsung executives hinted at their plans to make foldable phones more accessible for everyone. They mentioned that folks who bought the Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold have been super happy with their purchases. So, while Samsung hasn't given us a specific timeline for those budget-friendly foldables, there's chatter that they might drop a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE sometime next year. Exciting, right? But wait, there's more. One Samsung exec shared that they're committed to making the Galaxy Z Fold series lighter and slimmer with even better cameras. And for the Galaxy Z Flip series, expect a fresh, premium cover screen design that really stands out. Plus, they're not just stopping there. It sounds like they're working on some cool new forms, potentially including a dual foldable phone that could transform into a tablet. Imagine that. Rumors are swirling that this innovative gadget might hit the market in the latter half of next year. Now let's talk about why Samsung really needs to push out a more affordable foldable sooner rather than later. Reports have shown that the pre-order numbers for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are way lower than those for last year's models. In fact, ZDNet Korea recently adjusted their sales forecasts from 9 to 10 million units down to about 7 to 8 million. Yikes. It seems Samsung is seriously considering a popular version of the flip phone to boost those numbers. While there's no official word on pricing yet, the Motorola Razr 2024 is sitting pretty at $699, so we might see a future Z Flip FE come in at a similar price point. And there's even more coming from the rumor mill, thanks to the leaker U. They suggested that the Galaxy S25 Slim could launch as soon as April, and hinted that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might roll out alongside another Fold model. But so far, details on that are pretty scarce. On another note, Samsung has definitely been a bit behind this year. It's November, and we're still waiting for the first beta version of Android 15, One UI 7.0. The good news is that One UI 8.0 might drop a lot earlier next year, especially since Google has announced that Android 16 will be released in the second quarter of 2025, which is earlier than usual. That means we could see the stable Android 16 update rolling out by June 2025. If that's the case, Samsung might time the One UI 8.0 release for the third quarter, July to September of 2025, aligning with some major smartphone launches. So, get ready for the Pixel 10 series and the next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, to likely come with Android 16 right out of the box. Are you guys as excited as I am for the potential new affordable foldable lineup from Samsung? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.